what a real blizzard's like. Yeah, this is where visibility gets really, really bad. Hey kids!
Hi!
So this is
I think you mad, Daddy.
this is just a wimpy snowstorm, huh guys? You guys having fun in the snow? Gonna soak up the sun. This stupid blizzard's got